Hello, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my new ukulele. It's from Enya, it's an Enya Nova ukulele, and I want to show you what it looks like. Let's see. I've only been playing for about probably a little less than a month, and I started collecting ukuleles for some reason. And this one I've had my eye on for a while, and I bought this one, my Nova U, and it's got the electric settings. And I wanted to see how it compares to this one, if I can ever figure out how to open it. So I need to, okay, right here. All right, I got that on this side and right here. All right, so let's see. Leave it to me. I can't do anything, mate. Alright. Okay. So, the pictures of this look kind of like a Tiffany blue color, and of course that's why I wanted it, because that's one of my favorite colors. But here it is. Now my cat's in here. Ooh. It is kind of like the Tiffany blue color. My fat cat coming over here. And it comes in like a, feels like a cheap dust bag from a handbag you'd get in Chinatown in New York. But it's got, oh, it's so pretty. And it has gold tuners and pegs. It's got a strap button. And let's see what else it came with. It came with a little drawstring bag that has the strap that matches. It has the capo. I thought a digital tuner probably came with it, but I don't see it. I have one anyway. But let's put the tuner on, see what it's gonna sound like. All right, let's see. Take me a while to tune this thing, but anyway, I just wanted to show you what it looks like, and then I'll do another video in a few minutes to compare the sound of the Luna and the Nova. They feel about the same weight, so yeah, I'll do a review on both of these. And of course, this isn't a sponsored video by Nova because I don't have enough followers yet. But anyway, I'm going to tune this and then I'll get back with you.